Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. So I hope you all are doing great. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can create and share guide in Maps on your iPhone. So to get started, first of all, open Google Maps on your iPhone. So let's say my current location is this. Now I want to add it to my guide and share it. So now what you can do is go ahead and tap on add to guide. And you can also write anything like visit or anything on that folder or the guide. So once you are done with it, you can do the same process and add a new guide again. So yeah guys, this is how easily you can create and share guides in Maps on iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.